Okay, so I grabbed this wood palette looking heart from Hobby Lobby. It was $9.99 with 40% off, so I got it for about $5.99. And I started by painting it Republic Red from Wise Owl. And here I am using my Klingon brush. Right now, all this Valentine's stuff at Hobby Lobby is 40% off. And I feel you can use this year-round if you wanted to. And once that was covered, I put it aside, and I found this other really cool wood heart cutout. I got it for $4.99 with 40% off, so I paid about $2.99 for it. And this also came from Hobby Lobby. And I put a coat of Snow Owl from Wise Owl on top of that. Because there's so many cutouts, I just worried about the top and the sides. And then I put that aside to dry. I found this glass jar from Dollar Tree, and I was able to pull the top of it right off. And I filled the base of the jar with some hot glue. Then I had a bundle of roses that I had purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I cut a couple of the roses off, and I sat the stem of the rose inside the hot glue before it dried. And then I have myself a little vase with a couple roses. Then I took some jute and wrapped it a few times around the neck of the jar, and I tied a knot. Then taking my white heart, I strung the jute through the cutouts and made another knot to secure that on top. I then took the white heart and placed it on top of the red heart and strung the jute through the middle space and secured those hearts together. I felt everything was pretty secure with the jute, but just to keep anything from shifting, I took my hot glue gun and just glued the bottom and the tops of the heart to the board. And I also put a little dab underneath the jar. And there you go. You have this cute wall decor that I feel you could paint any color and you could use it year-round. Thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com, and you could check out our YouTube for other tutorials. Have a great day.